So welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So last class we saw 2-digit criss-cross multiplication of two numbers. So in today's class we will see 3-digit multiplication. So you need to remember this formula here. So let's start with an illustration. For example, you have to multiply 685 into 327. So how you will do this? By the criss-cross method. So if you look here, this part. So if first we will start from the left side towards the right side, like we will first start with this symbol, then second symbol is this, third symbol is this, and fourth symbol is this, and fifth symbol is this, from left to right. So we will understand what these symbols mean. So the first symbol, which is this 1, it means that the rightmost digits, the 5 and 7, you have to multiply. So when you multiply 5 and 7, you get 35. So you write 5 and take carry of 3. So the second step is to across. It means this multiplying this 8 into 7 and 5 into 2. So when you multiply 8 into 7, you get 56. And when you multiply 2 into 5, you get 10. So 56 and 10, you got 66. And you had a carry of 3. So it will become 69. So write the 9 and now you have carry of 6. So third step is this symbol. So here you can see that now you have to multiply 5 into 3. It is 15. And 6 into 7, it is 42. So 15, 42 becomes how much? Because we have to add also. 42 and 15 will become 57. And this middle symbol means 8 into 2 also you have to multiply and add. It means 16 also you have to add. So 57 and 16 will give you 73. And when you add the carry, that is 73 and 6, it will give you 79, and it will give you 9, and now you have a carry of 7. So the fourth step is this symbol, means we are shifting towards right to left. Now you have to multiply this 8 into 3 and 6 into 2. So 8 into 3 is 24 and 6 into 2 is 12, and we know that 24 and 12 is 36, and 36 and our carry is 7. So you will get 43. So write 3 and now our carry is 4. So now just your last step is left, which this symbol, the rightmost multiplication, leftmost multiplication, which is 6 into 3. So 6 into 3 will give you 18, and we had a carry of 4. So 18 and 4 will give you 22. So this is your final answer. So you can check with your calculator, and if any confusion is there, you can ask me. So let's see this question also. So you can try this question by yourself. So now let's start it. So first this symbol we will use. So 5 into 7 is 35. So 5 and 3 carry. Then the second symbol is this. 8 into 7 is 56. And 56 and 4 into 5 is 26. 20. And 20 and 56 will become 76. And 76 and 3 will become 79. So 9 you will write and you will get carry of 7. So now the third step is this symbol. So you will multiply 3 into 7. You will multiply 3 into 7, you will get 21. And when you multiply 6 into 5, you will get 30. So 30 and 21 is 51. And the third step is 8 into 4. So it is 32. And when you add 51 and 32, you will get 83. And you had carry of 7. So 83 and 7 will give you 90. So you will had 0 and 9 as carry. So our fourth step is this symbol. So we will multiply 8 into 6, that is 48, and 3 into 4, that is 12. So when you add 48 and 12, you will get 60, and our carry is 9. So now you will get 69. So you will write 9 and our carry is 6 now. So last step is 3 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18, and 18 and 6 is 24. So this is your final answer. So you can cross check with your calculator. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So you can practice these questions, this type of criss-cross method multiplication, because in competitive exam usually you have very less times, and in those times these types of quick multiplication can help you. So I hope that you have enjoyed the session. So thank you.